What are the signs of a worn out clutch? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So first of all, let me kind of separate. You can have a worn out clutch or you can have some clutch failures. A worn out clutch, you can have two symptoms. One is when you're bringing your pedal up to engage the clutch, it's higher than it was before. So it's getting worn and now it's not engaging as quickly. Secondly, when you have the clutch fully engaged, so your foot's completely off the pedal, and you go to accelerate, and the engine RPMs go up, but the car only creeps or doesn't keep up with the engine, then that's worn as well. You can also have failures because there's a throwout bearing in there, there's some springs, so other things can fail that could cause chattering or even not being able to shift the transmission at all. Hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.